So today we're going to be looking at real life functions. So you're probably wondering what a function is, and you may have heard me say it a couple times in the past in replace of an equation. That is just what a function is. It is an equation. So in algebra, a function is an equation that produces an output given an input. It is the work you do to a number to get another number. So we've been using functions every time we create an equation. Now we're just going to use that term more frequently. So whenever it asks for a function, just know they're asking for an equation. All right, so here's our first real world example. We have a t-shirt company charges a design fee of $18 for a pattern and then sells the shirt for $9 each. So if you order from this company and you have them design something for you, you're going to be charged that $18 regardless of whether you order a shirt or not. Write a function rule that models this scenario. Okay, so we're going to then write that function. Now it's pretty easy. We're going to use y and x and come up with the equation. So y is going to be equal to the $18 fee plus $9 per t-shirt, and we'll let x be the number of t-shirts. All right, now we need to fit this on our coordinate plane. And I've set up some of it already for you, but you have to do some more with it. So it says price in multiples of 9. So that means I want every box to be 9. Now, I don't really want to do every box, so I'm going to skip and label every other by 18. So this is 18. This is 36. I would do the next one. That would be 36 plus 9, which is 45. 45 plus 9 is 54. 54 plus 9 is 63. 63 plus 9 is 72. 72 plus 9 is 80. 80 plus, no, sorry, 72 plus 9 is 81. 81 plus 9 is 90. 90 plus 9 is 99, plus 9 more is 108. 108 plus 9 is 117, plus 9 more is 126. And 126 plus 9 is 135, plus 9 more is 144. Okay, so we have that set up. Now along the bottom, it's just the number of t-shirts with no indicator of how to set it up. So let's make each one just one t-shirt. I'm going to skip and do two t-shirts for every other box. And now we can graph this, okay? So it says y equals 18 plus 9x. So 18 is our y-intercept. So we'll start at 18 on the y-axis. And then it says each t-shirt is $9. So we're going to keep increasing by 9. So our slope is 9 over 1. Now, we can't go up 9 boxes and over 1 because of the way our graph is set up. So instead of going up 9 boxes, we're going to go up 1 box because 1 box is equivalent to 9 on our graph, and over 1, and over 1. Up 9 over 1, up 9 over 1, up 9 over 1, up 9 over 1, and so on. So you really have to pay attention to how a graph is set up in order to correctly graph these. Arrow on the end, function rule attached. Now notice I wrote 9x plus 18. That is equivalent to 18 plus 9x, so that is okay. All right, so there's our graph. That's how you'd graph it on a real world scale, just really paying attention to the axes. Let's see what we have attached to this. So what does the point 1226 mean in the context of the problem? So if I go back, the x-axis was the number of t-shirts and the price is the y-axis. So again, the x is the number of t-shirts ordered and the y is the price for all those t-shirts. So this is saying if you order 12 t-shirts, it will cost, or they will cost, $126. So you're just relating it back to the problem whenever they ask for something in context. All right, let's take a look where that brings us to. So now we want to prove that that point is a solution and would fit on our graph. So again, our equation is y equals 9x plus 18. So we plug in the 12 for x and the 26 for y. So 26 equals 9 times 12 plus 18. So 120, yeah, this should be 126. That's what we had before, not just 26. 126 equals 9 times 12, which is 108 plus 18. And 126 equals, well, 108 and 18 is 126. So it is true, and we've proven that it is a solution to the graph. All right, let's keep on going. Part D, if someone were to order 50 t-shirts, how much would their cost be? So now 50 shirts being the x, would be plugged into the x in our equation. So it's y equals 9 times 50 plus 18. So y equals, well, 9 times 5 is 45, so that's 450 plus 18. So y equals $468 for 18 or for 50 t-shirts. All right, so hopefully you're understanding where all of this came from, because you're going to do the second half of the lesson with your group or partner. Again, check in with me so I can be sure that you are doing it correctly before doing your exit ticket and your homework.